Hey, I just wanted to share with you an awesome AI tool that I discovered just today, and it is fantastic. If you have ever tried to do something with Zapier, but it's been like too complicated for you, like me, you are going to love this new tool that I found called Integrately. It's a little bit of a mouthful of the word, but this tool is so intuitive, it's so easy to use. And let me just show you how it works. If you want to set up an automation, you simply go to Integrately. You can just describe what you're doing. Instead, I'm going to actually just click on Google Sheets. And then I see here Google Sheets. I can add one more app and I can say Gmail. Now, like I said, when I've done this in the past, there were all these authentication hoops that I had to go through, and it was just too much. So right now, just adding Google Sheets and Gmail, I can look through the automations that others have made. When spreadsheet rows created in Google Sheets, send an email. And I see here when spreadsheet and Sheets is created, check any condition, and then send an email. And I don't know if this is exactly what I want, but this one up here says send an email twice. So we'll see. I am clicking on it just to see what happens. And it first wants me to connect. I've already done that. And it was so simple. Instead of all these hoops to jump through, it just connected. And then the next step is spreadsheet rows created. We want to select the spreadsheet. So I click on here and it lists a lot of spreadsheets that I have. Let's say that I just want to know when somebody fills out my recent survey and I need a worksheet on it. And often it just says like form responses. If I have a sheet attached to my Google Forms, and then it's finding this. And as soon as it's done, that's done. Did you see how quick and simple that was? I didn't have to jump through any hoops. Now it's adding a filter or condition if I want to say something in a particular field, like let's say they actually added their name, then I could do that here. But I'm just going to skip it for now. And I'm just going to say, okay, I want to email. And again, it has my connection here. If you didn't already, it would just say connect. You would do the usual approval and it connected so quickly for me. And then right now I have this awesome automation ready to go. I can come here and get rid of this filter connection part because I don't really need that at all. I just want to know when a new record comes in, send me an email. And in this email, I can add all these different things. I can add the different parts of the actual survey that I've done. So I get it in the email, but I want to say that this email is going to be from, let's say, me, and we're going to have it sent to, I don't really want it to, I could have it go to the survey participants saying thank you. So I've done that as well. But in this case, let's say I just want to send it to myself so that I know that this record has come in and I have a little email reminder. And then I can say notification. And in the body, I can have all these different fields. I can add each one of these elements that they did and have a little summary. I have some other options here that I can do. I can have attachments, different things. But right now, I just want it simple. Let's test it. I have the row being created, send the email, test, and it's tested. That is how simple this is. And again, if you have used Zapier, Make, Pabbly, any of these Zapier alternatives, the other Zapier alternatives, you'll know that that was a lot quicker than the other things. If you've never used Zapier, trust me, it's so much quicker. So right now I could go to my email, but I know from personal experience that, that my test is in there. This is ready to go. I've set it up. Now, when I do it for real, I'll probably put all the fields in there so I have a full summary of the survey in that email. But I don't really need it if I want to just go check out the Google Sheets. Now, I found this tool Integrately by using Chat GPT. I'm just saying, I have a Zapier account. I've only used it a little bit because I don't find it intuitive. And I'm hearing that there are a lot of less expensive, better alternatives to Zapier. and it gave me this and other options. I tried Make, I tried Pabbly, but I ran into complications. And so I just kept going. We know that that's the key with working with AI. Keep going, trying new things. And I came across this integrately.com. Give it a shot. I think you'll find that it's just as fantastic for you as it has been for me. All right, Jim Peak here. Talk to you soon. Have fun. Bye for now.